everybody, it's Lindiwe Mapota here, the branch manager at IBN Johannesburg office. We're putting together a video for you to help you clarify some of the questions you might have with regards to international traveling to South Africa. We all know that from 1 October 2020 under level 1, international traveling is permissible. However, it is not clear who may immediately come to South Africa, what requirements are required, and how long does it take for a new application to be submitted offshore. I will share with you what is required, who may come, as well as our observation here in the country at Home Affairs post-COVID-19. A holder of a long-term visa may enter South Africa. Long-term visa classified as general work visa, critical skills, intra-company transfer, study visa, retired visa, accompanying spouse visa, accompanying parents. There's a confusion around accompanying parents and accompanying spouse visa. Those are also considered as long-term visas. You may enter South Africa irrespective of coming from a low-risk country and a high-risk country. I repeat, the holder of a long-term visa coming from a low and high-risk country may enter South Africa subject to holding a negative COVID-19 certificate issued 72 hours before landing into our borders. Business travelers from high-risk countries, they need pre-approval from Home Affairs. The application is pretty simple. It's the copy of the passport, itinerary, proof of accommodation to South Africa, and a short summary of activities to be conducted in South Africa. Section 11.2 applications, they also require pre-approval from Home Affairs. What is a Section 11.2 application? It's for people who want to conduct short-term work-related activities, but they don't want to apply for a long-term visa, because theirs is to enter here either for 3 months, do project works, and 2 months and 3 months. That type of application, it requires pre-approval from Home Affairs. Know that you may not approach your VFS center or embassy to submit a Section 11.2 application without pre-approval. It will not be accepted. What about new applications to be submitted offshore in order for a foreign national to enter South Africa? All new long-term visa applications for low countries and high-risk countries, they may be submitted without pre-approval. All long-term visas for South Africa may be submitted in the low-risk country as well as high-risk country without pre-approval. So we discussed what needs to happen coming from offshore to South Africa. Now in South Africa, what is currently happening? Firstly, the concession has been extended. The concession that allows a foreign national whose visa expired from 15 February during lockdown and the national disaster, they may remain in the country. The concession will enable the foreign national to leave the country without being declared undesirable at the port of departure. Therefore, extension of any tourist visa in the country, it's not accepted. The VFS portal does not allow such facility. Prior to COVID-19, one would make an appointment to submit application. Post-COVID-19, you need to make an appointment for submission of the application as well as collection of an outcome. Home Affairs, they are also trying to adhere to the COVID-19 regulations at their offices. So it is very important that for collection of outcome, an appointment is scheduled to be able to action that task. What applications can be submitted in the country? We can submit extension of work visas, study visas, as well as accompanying spouse visas. We can submit all the TRVs, which is a temporary resident visa in the country. The only application that cannot be submitted, new application that cannot be submitted, is a permanent resident application. Permanent resident applications cannot be submitted at the stage, as well as the appeal to the permanent resident application. That is clear. What we also noted, adjudication of extension of work visas, the turnaround time is very quick. We submitted our own application within 5 working days. The outcome was ready for collection. Wow, very impressive. Would love to have such processing times going forward. However, I cannot confirm to say that these are the new processing times at Home Affairs. But Home Affairs, they have actually processed application within 5 working days. I hope what I shared with you will answer some of the questions you have. Should you still need more clarity, please send me an email at lindiwe@ibn.co.za. Thank you for watching.